A horizontal directional drilling job site has many aspects and moving parts to it. For this reason, I'm going to discuss some common roles and responsibilities on the job site. This helps empower each crew member to divide and conquer the job site together. When done well and as a team, the job is done more efficiently from start to finish. I understand that no crew, company, or job site is the same. So in this video, I'm going to focus on the two basic HDD roles, the drill operator and the locator. If your crew consists of more people, you can still apply this concept. First, it is important to know that there are many responsibilities that each crew member should know and be competent in. Everyone on the job site should know the emergency action plan and appropriate personal protective equipment, also referred to as PPE, for each role. You can find more information about that in our PPE requirements video. A few more things that each crew member needs to know or do is a job site walkthrough. This is generally done by a crew lead or supervisor and a locator. It is best practice that everyone walks the job site together to confirm all existing utilities have been located, exposed, and documented. Once these things are done, it is important that everyone has agreed upon the board plan for that job. Another thing that each crew member needs to do is confirm good radio communication with the two-way radios or other communication device, and confirm that the remote lockout device is working properly. Lastly, be sure to read and understand the operator's manual for each piece of equipment you will be operating. Now let's talk about the general responsibilities of an HDD drill operator. Once the previous tasks have been completed, the next thing the drill operator can do is testing the makeup water in the mixing system, and then mix the appropriate drilling fluids based on the soil type for that job site. Once the drilling fluids have been mixed, they need a few minutes to fully hydrate. This is an ideal time to check all fluids on the drill rig and start to set it up according to the bore plan. After the drill is set up, check that all shields are in proper operating position, the strike alert system has been properly inserted, and the system has been tested as stated in the operator's manual. Also, hook up hosing from the mix system to the drill, and lastly, check that a proper barrier has been made around the drill. Meanwhile, the locator could be prepping the locating system, which may consist of using the system to pre-walk the intended bore path to scan for active interference. This is important to do before every bore. After that, the locator will be able to decide what settings will be best for that job. After this is done, calibrating the new settings will be required. It is important to remember that calibration must be done properly for the system to be accurate. Now, before starting the pilot bore, it is best practice for the locator to review the intended board plan that was created during the first walkthrough one more time. Lastly, confirm good radio communication, and remember that the receiver needs to also repeat the command back when communicating. Now you can use this concept as an HDD crew to divide and conquer the job site efficiently.